Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel Study Circle Mumbai. Guys, today I am here to discuss the recent things which has happened today in CA and CS courses. So let's first let me first give you a background of why these things are happening. Guys, I hope all of you are doing well in this pandemic and you and your families are safe. Guys, we all know that this second wave has been striking us really bad, and many of us are losing our near and dear ones. Situation not only in Mumbai but overall in our state of Maharashtra as well as pan India is alike, and we really hope that things turn fine in the recent upcoming days. So guys, to continue this, we know that few days back all the boards including the ICSE, CBSE and the state boards cancelled their 10th standard examinations looking at the current pandemic scenario. Even the CFA Institute had postponed the examinations of June. The CMA examinations was already postponed to July. CA Institute had already postponed the May attempt of CA Foundation to June end. And now today there is again one postponement, guys, for CA Intermediate and CA Final, which is really big news. Institute has said that in the current pandemic scenario, obviously the examinations cannot be conducted, and guys, we all know this. It is not Institute's fault, and they have not declared the dates. They have said that looking at the pandemic scenario, they will announce a date at least 25 days in advance of the start date of the examinations. So आपको 25 दिन का नोटिस दिया जाएगा और एग्जाम कंडक्ट की जाएंगी. And it's obvious because nobody knows the end of this. In 2020 we were thinking कि बस 2020 खराब होगा, 2021 अच्छा होगा. But I'm damn sure, guys, you will believe me that 2021 is really bad than 2020. But still we have to be positive. And guys, I will just request all my CA students not to drop the guard. If you want, you can take a breather today, relax for a day, and again from tomorrow stick to your plans. You feel that exams are gonna be on the same day, 21st of May, and whatever extra days you get, you plan one extra revision, write extra papers. There are certain things which we never touch. Do that so that there should not be any chance of a negative result. We have to make this extra time count. And if each one of us is able to make this extra day count and extra time count, then I'm sure that you will get a positive result in these exams. The another news which came up was for CSEET, that is Company Secretary Executive Entrance Test students. Guys, CSEET was supposed to be conducted from the centers. But since the time this CSEET was launched, which was on 1st of Feb 2020, and the first exams was supposed to happen in May. Before that, the pandemic struck, and because of which that May exam had to be postponed to August, and it was conducted in remote proctored mode. बच्चों ने अपने घर से लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप अरेंज करके एग्जाम लिखा. उसके बाद का एग्जाम नवंबर अटेम्प्ट was also conducted in the remote proctored mode. Even the third exam of January was conducted in the remote proctored mode. And this would be the fourth attempt which was supposed to happen in May, and it is on May 8th, 2021. I repeat to all my CHEET students that the exam has not been postponed, but if at all you do not have laptop or desktop, or you cannot go to a cyber cafe to write an exam, or you do not have any technology means to appear for exams, then you can opt out of the May. You will not have to register yourself by paying 1000 rupee, and you can transfer your exam to July 2021. So that May goes to July. That's all. If at all you have a problem, guys, again I would like to tell you that if you have a problem, you don't have anything, you don't have the access to laptop, desktop or internet, then you can opt out and take it to the July exam. But that opt out has to be intimated to the institute by 2nd of May 2021. But again I will request to all my CHEET students that if you have all the required technology at your place, then don't go for opt-out. Give in May. You are prepared. You have already done revision. You are also supposed to write mock test in this week and the next week. You already revised the portion a lot of times. We have taken a lot of tests. Just go and write exams. Don't use the opt-out facility. The third announcement which has come up is for CS Executive and CS Professional new course students to whom pre-exam and one-day orientation program is applicable. Guys, those students who were supposed to appear in June 2021 were already given relaxation for complying with pre-exams and ODOP till 20 of April. But still, due to this pandemic, many of the students could not comply with the requirement, that is the eligibility requirement to appear for the June attempt. So looking at this scenario, institute on its own has taken a decision to allow the completion of pre-exams and one-day orientation programs till 31st of July 2020. So guys, you can say and see this, these were the all updates which I was supposed to share with you. But to be very honest, being an academician, it is a real pain to announce postponement of exams. It's a real pain, guys. But the scenarios what are happening, I'm sure that nobody of us has seen during our lifetimes, and maybe we may not see again. All these are exceptional circumstances for which such kind of decisions are being taken. So guys, I will request each one of you to stay safe, stay indoors so that we can break the chain as it is said. Vaccinate yourself from 1st May when your turn comes. Guys, vaccines are safe. There is no problems with vaccination. Please don't listen to rumors. Get yourself vaccinated as early as possible so that guys we can overcome this crisis and you and me see each other in the live classroom environment as it used to be. With this lovely message, would like to end this video. I hope all of your doubts are cleared and you are motivated to study. Okay, we have one more. Okay, let me take it that, many of them are asking me that sir, CS exams bhi postpone hoga kya? Okay guys, let me tell you, we know the scenario that none of the exams are being conducted. So even ICSI will take a call very soon on the postponement of the exams. So guys, till then just await, keep patience. there is no need to create any kind of nuisance on social media. Please guys, every institute cares for its children. Don't create any unnecessary, see hashtag CA exam postponed, we want CS exam to be postponed. Don't create all such nuisance. Guys, institute will take its own call, and I'm sure it will take a right call in the interest of the students, and that too very soon. It is really expected, not only by you but also by me, but ye pakka hoga. So we will surely get a very important announcement very soon, and that day again I'll record a video and put it on the YouTube. But till then, I request each one of you to have patience, keep studying the same way you were studying. Whatever extra time we will get, guys, we will utilize it. Just don't let your guard drop. So with this, would like to end the video today. Thank you all for patient listening. Love you all. Take care. And don't move out of your houses. Very simple instruction. Just go and vaccinate yourself, guys. Bye-bye. Take care and God bless you.